Welcome back to Living 808. For most, life insurance is a way to protect the family against the loss of a breadwinner during the working years. But life insurance has the potential to be so much more if properly utilized. Here to help us understand the value and benefits of life insurance and a retirement income plan, Charlie Jewett from Renovating Retirement. Thank you for being here. I appreciate it.
Yeah, absolutely.
So tell me, before the show, we were talking about how banks don't pay very much interest, and you've got a solution to that.
Yeah, I mean, the worst money in the world that I've been seeing is cash, where somebody sells a house and doesn't know if they're going to buy another one, but can't really invest the money or tie it up. Just banks aren't paying anything. So we went out and looked for everything, everything on the market, and found, there's a lot of cash sitting in banks, and guess who else knows that? The insurance companies.
Yeah.
So they've started creating competing products, going for that emergency fund money, and some of them are stellar.
I imagine that I'm not the only one thinking right now that this is too good to be true.
Yeah, because we're used to cash paying absolutely nothing. I mean, we have a client that made 23% in 2 years in one of these liquid accounts where there's no penalties. We call them the emergency fund. We'll talk a little bit about urgency versus emergency, but there's a place to park the money that you'd need if your car broke or your roof caved in, like really big non-medical emergencies. There's a place to put it where it can earn, fair returns, bond-like returns, maybe stock-like returns. It doesn't have to sit in the bank doing nothing because you might need it one day. We don't want to tie it up in 10-year surrender penalties or in the market where you can lose it. It needs to be available, but it doesn't have to sit there and do nothing, and that's really good news for most people.
So what are you saying then? Are you saying to yank all your money out of the bank, or are you saying to leave some in there? What exactly?
What I think is best for most people is to have an urgency fund. What is good about banks is they have ATMs, they're open a lot, 6 days a week. You can go get money right now. I had a washing machine and dryer both die in the same week. I don't know if they put bombs in them and they're like, the Jewett warranty's up, boom, right? I don't know how it works, but after the warranty went up, they both died. So you need some money, urgency fund, 10, 20,000, it's different in every family. But that big chunk, if you're going to have enough money to pay for a car and a roof, that might be 80 to 100,000. That big lion's share doesn't need to just sit in the bank doing nothing. We can get that working, and if you need it, you get it with no penalties. But we do still want an urgency fund of $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 just sitting in the bank. It's not about rate of return. It's about getting it fast.
Somebody wants to know more. How can they get in touch with you? What do they got to do?
The best place to start is go to renovatemyplan.com. So renovatemyplan.com, you're going to see a series of 6 videos. And we'll talk a little bit about this. In-case accounts, increase accounts, and income accounts. These are the in-case accounts in case something happens. So renovatemyplan.com is a great place to start. There's no cost. Watch it in the comfort of your own home. Popcorn, wine. It's a good day.
Charlie Jewett with another edition of Renovating Retirement here on Living 808. Appreciate it.
Absolutely.
Much more when we come back.